Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn about scene detection in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right into it. When working with clients or whomever, sometimes you may be sent a video to work on that has been sent as a single file. I am on the media page now, and I have imported the file the client sent me. Let's zoom in a bit here. As you can see, the file that was sent is a single file. That means that whatever effects or changes I make will be applied to the entire video. I don't want that. I want to work on each clip separately. One way we can do this is to place the clip on a timeline and cut it manually, but this will take a lot of time. There is another way to split the clips apart automatically using DaVinci's scene detection. First, I will right-click on the file, and as you can see, we have the option to select Scene Cut Detection. If the clip is already in the media pool, you will not have this option. Okay, let's right-click the clip and select the Scene Detection option. This is the Scene Cut Detection window. Down the bottom here, you have the video file that you want Resolve to analyze and add cuts to. Let's press the Auto Scene Detection button and watch what happens. Resolve will play through the entire video file and try to detect where cuts have been made. If we look at the file now, we can see Resolve has added a lot of green vertical lines and some grayed outlines. The green lines are an indicator of how strong Resolve believes there was a cut. So if we have a green line going from top to bottom, Resolve is telling us it is certain there is a cut there. The weaker the line, the less sure Resolve is. If we play back the footage, we can see that there is a cut every time there is a green line. So what about the grey lines? Well, let's take a look. If we play back, we can see that yes, there was a cut there. Now we can move this pink horizontal bar up or down to change the threshold. If we move it up, some of the green lines will turn grey. By doing this, we are telling Resolve to ignore the grey lines and that there is no cut below this level. If we move the line down, we are exposing all the grey lines, turning them green, and telling Resolve that these are indeed cuts we want. On top of that, you can manually add or delete cuts by using the Add Delete buttons. Now we want to click Add Frames to Media Pool. Resolve will ask us about the frame rate, so just choose Change so that the project will match the footage. As this is the first time we are adding footage to the project, Resolve is telling us that the frame rate and the footage differs from that of the project settings, so we want to press Change. Okay, let's close the Scene Cut Detection window. Now you will see that Resolve has split the single clip file into multiple clips. Awesome, we just saved ourselves a bunch of time. Now you can create a new bin or just leave the files as is if it's the only thing you're working on. Now we want to recreate the original video clip in the new timeline. What's the best way to do this? First, you want to come up here to the List View button and click it to display the clips in a list. Then scroll across to the Start Timecode and make sure the arrow is in this position. This way we are telling Resolve that we want the timecode to start from 0. Next, you want to select all of the clips. First, you can select the top clip and then press Command A to select all of the clips, or you can select the top clip, scroll down to the bottom, hold Shift and click the bottom clip. Then just drag the clips into the timeline area. Resolve will create a new timeline automatically, and the clips will have been arranged in the correct order. From here, you can make any changes you need, and you can add all your effects and do your color grading. Well, that's it for today's video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if this video was useful to you. Until next time, see ya.